Before you buy a BMW X5, you need to know something. Not all X5s are created equal. Some are solid, comfortable daily drivers that will treat you well for years, and some will quietly drain your bank account while smiling at you with those beautiful LED headlights. Today, I'm breaking down every BMW X5 engine from 2007 to 2024. We're ranking them, we're exposing the risky ones, and I'll tell you which one I would actually buy with my own money. Let's get into it. First, E70, 2007 to 2013. This is where modern Turbo X5 South really started. In 2011, BMW added the N55 Turbo inline 6 and the early N63 twin-turbo V8. Next, the F15, 2014 to 2018. Sharper design, better tech, updated engines. This is a very popular used sweet spot because prices are reasonable, but it still looks modern. Then 2019 to present, G05, bigger screens, more refinement, and most importantly, the B58 engine. This is where things start getting good. Quickly, xDrive means all-wheel drive, power to all four wheels, better in rain and snow, better resale, slightly heavier. sDrive means rear-wheel drive, lighter, slightly better, MPG, more playful in dry weather. If you live somewhere with real winters, xDrive is usually the smarter move. The 3.5i uses the N55 3.0-liter turbo, inline 6, around 300 horsepower. It's smooth, it pulls well, and if maintained properly, it can last. But it has common BMW issues: valve cover gasket leaks, all filter housing gasket leaks, electric water pump failure. These aren't engine-destroying problems, but you need to budget for them. A well-maintained 3.5i under 20K can be a smart buy. Now the good stuff, the B58 engine, found in 2019 plus X5 for OI models. Closed deck block, stronger internals, better cooling, improved reliability. 335 horsepower, smooth, very tunable. This engine has proven itself across multiple BMW platforms. If I'm buying a modern X5 to keep long-term, for OI with the B58, this is the safest modern choice. N63 50i 2011 Plus. Now the risky one, the N63 twin-turbo V8. Early versions, especially 2011 to 2013, had serious problems. All consumption, valve stem seal wear, timing chain stretch, turbo heat issues, cooling failures. BMW improved it over time, but a twin-turbo V8 BMW will always cost more to maintain than an inline 6. It's fast, it sounds amazing, but cheap 5.0i models are usually cheap for a reason. X5M S63. Then there's the X5M. Different engine, S63, up to 617 horsepower. Brutally fast, performance-focused, but not budget-friendly. Without warranty. This is not casual ownership. Ranking 1. B58 in the 4.0i, safest bet. 2. N55 in the 3.5i, solid if maintained. 3. Updated N63 versions, better, but still expensive. Worst, early N63, from 2011 to 2013. If you had $20,000 today, would you gamble on the V8? Or play it smart with the inline 6? Comment which one you'd buy.